Back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a chit chat, get ready with me type thing for Valentine's Day. I am in love with this makeup look and the whole outfit and the whole thing. I talk to you guys about boys and Valentine's. I show you guys some makeup tricks like how to overline your lips, how to contour, how to do winged eyeliner. It's a good video. And I put together an outfit for you guys. Thumbs up this video if you are spending Valentine's Day alone or if you're spending Galentine's Day with your friends. I'll be spending it alone, but I will go to Dunkin' Donuts and get my favorite donut on that day. Hey guys, I know I just probably did the intro, but now I'm gonna talk to you guys. A little chit chat, get ready with me. My face is not doing so good, neither is my lips. I have a cold sore and it's really disgusting, but she's healing just fine. Also, I'm just like on my periods and my skin's just like, ugh. But yeah, I'm just gonna start by putting my hair back, take my rose water and just like spray it all over. It tastes weird. Now I'm gonna put some moisturizer on. This is just my Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer. In this makeup tutorial, I'm gonna try to make it like different than all my other makeup tutorials because I feel like they all are like the same exact thing and they're kind of like boring. Next, I'm gonna take this Too Faced 3-in-1 Prime Setting Spray. This is so expensive. I think you have to spray a lot on, so it's like kind of a waste of money, but whatever. And I always put on some Vaseline. This one's just cocoa butter for soft glowing lips. Fun fact, this nail fell off. These are glue-on nails. I'm just going to take my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Sand and prime my eyelids. You can use any concealer, but this is the only concealer I can find right now. Put way too much on. You really do not need that much. This is boring. I have an ear infection, so it's cute. Okay, I'm taking Aspen Over's palette in the shade High School Sweetheart, and I'm just going to like put that on my lid, you know. Then under my eyebrows, I'm just gonna do a little powder. This is just like a Maybelline Fit Me powder. Then again, taking my Tarte Shape Tape, I'm just gonna like prime for the like eyeshadow again. Have you guys heard Ariana Grande's new album? Because I am actually obsessed. I think it is just the best album ever. I was gonna say, this makeup look just looks disgusting right now, but I promise it's gonna look better. Where did that thing go? Take my Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm just gonna take maybe like these like pinky colors and just create like a little dark smoky eye thing. All my makeup brushes are just scattered everywhere and I just don't know what to do. My camera's doing some weird right now. I think it's gonna stop recording. Okay, my camera stopped recording, but I was just talking about how disorganized my life is. Like, I cannot find my favorite makeup brushes and that's a problem. Okay, oh god. Okay, I'm gonna take some of these colors. I'm gonna take, let's do, what does that say? Venetian Red. I'm also gonna take Love Letter. I feel like these are really cute, like Valentine's Day colors. I honestly do not know what I'm doing. I always just blend a bunch of colors and then put some like shimmery color on it and then it looks good. So if you guys are not experts at makeup, don't worry, you can still make your makeup look good. I forgot to do the other eye. Also, if your makeup looks terrible, don't worry because all mine start out looking disastrous. And then once I put like foundation on, once I do all the things, then it actually turns out looking good. So don't worry, just keep going and it'll probably look fine. I always bring it to, okay. Now I'm taking the Stila liquid eyeshadow in the shade Kitten Karma. And the only reason I'm doing this pink makeup look is because of this, because I thought it looked cool. And I'm just gonna place it like on my lid right here. Honestly, I don't think this is worth the money, so don't buy it. If you have glittery eyeshadows, you don't need this in your life. Just have some faith in your makeup abilities if you're following along with me, which you're probably not, but I don't know. Okay, take some setting spray and put it on a brush like this. I got that spray all over my mirror, so now I can't really see what I'm doing. I'm gonna take some Jaclyn Hill up here in these two shades and just kind of apply that over the liquid eyeshadow because it's like, that's our base for this. So I'm taking this like light pink color right here and just gonna put that in the inner corner, and then this dark pink right here, I'm gonna put that in the outer corner. And using like the 3 tones of pink just gives it like an ombre look and it looks really pretty. Even though it doesn't right now, it will. We're gonna take a little makeup wipe and just go like that and try to make it look like a little cat eye. Okay, so after I have all the eyeshadow done, I move on to my face makeup, and then after that I do like the eyeliner and mascara just so it doesn't get like messed up by the face makeup. So the first thing I'm gonna do is apply my Urban Decay Naked Skin Weightless Foundation in the shade 2.0. Clearly I'm very pale right now, so I'm hoping this will help. I usually just put it on the back of my hand like this, and then taking a beauty blender and just putting that on my face. If you guys have a YouTube channel, comment down below because I don't know, I want to see your guys' YouTube channels. And then as this is setting like into my face, I take my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in the shade Fair Warm And this is honestly one of the best concealers I've ever used. But I do also the Tarte Shape because it's like very full coverage. I use the shade Light Sand. I don't know if I mentioned that already, but yeah, I kind of just go over. I always like overlap concealers because I really want to conceal. I put on my bronzer before powder because I'll put on my bronzer and sometimes it looks too dark, and then if I like go over with a powder brush, it just like blends it more. So that's how I found is easiest to do it. I'm not really like contouring, it just bronzes my face. This is the hardest cheek to contour because it's so like round. And then I like to add a little concealer right here just to like define that line. Now I'm taking my Laura Mercier setting powder, and the design of this is so bizarre. I literally don't understand why this is the way it is. Comment down below if you guys have dogs and dog fur gets in all of your makeup. And then I'm taking my Aspen Overhead blush and just putting that on the apples of my cheeks. Comment down below if you guys have a Valentine. I sure don't. I'm also taking her highlighter. I'm just putting that right here. And a trick I love to do is to put highlighter on the tip of your nose. At first I always wondered why people do this, but it makes your nose look so small and just so cute and like a little pearl, and I love it. Next I'm doing my eyebrows because they're looking a little pale. Okay, I do my eyebrows very different than everyone else, if you guys haven't noticed by my other videos. So I don't know where my thing went. So I comb them downwards like this, and taking some dark eyeshadows. This is my Morphe Clever Spice palette. I usually blend the black and the dark brown, and then I draw a line at the top. I just kind of outline them like this. Sometimes I'll also make the tail a little bit longer. Then I brush them up and then just outline the bottom. That way they look natural but also look very full, and then just do the same thing to the other side. Next I'm taking my Kat Von D tattoo eyeliner, and I'm gonna do some simple wings. I start my wings off by just doing a line and then just filling in like a really thin line of eyeliner to like connect it. Eyeliner really just takes a lot of practice. Okay, I really screwed up on both of these. Sorry, I didn't mean to flip you off. I really screwed up on both of these, and I don't know what to do because I don't want to like redo everything. Oh my god, there's tons of doggies outside. There's like 20 dogs on someone's property. This one's too long, this one's too thick. What do I do? You always blend it out by adding some more eyeshadow on top of it so it doesn't look too dramatic. I also take a little Estee Lauder crayon eyeliner and just go under like my waterline and tightline and stuff. Next, taking some more of this like reddish pink color in a really tiny brush. I'm going under my eye just to create a little smoky effect. And then on this same brush, just taking like the really light shimmery pink, putting that in the inner corner of my eye. Okay, now off camera, I'm gonna go apply some natural lashes. This is really unnecessary. I just think for like glam look, it's fun to have a little extra. Okay, so I have the natural eyelashes on. You just can't really tell because they're not like have mascara and they haven't been curled or anything. So I just take a little Tarte Cosmetics curling iron, not curling iron. Yeah, I curl my eyelashes with a curling iron. I just kind of blend them together like so. And then to blend those, I'm just taking my Estee Lauder. I have this tiny one, but I have a big one and I don't know where it is. But I'm just taking this and I'm gonna blend them together, just kind of like shaking it. I kind of just go like this motion, and go upwards. I also apply it on my bottom. Have you guys ever had a Valentine? I had one not last year. I had one I think freshman year, and he got me these chocolates and they tasted so good. And now every Valentine's Day I want those chocolates. So I think I'm gonna get them for myself this year. But yeah, I think I've only had a Valentine one time. I was 15. Okay, finally once your entire face is done, I take my NARS Precision Lip Liner in the shade, I'm not sure what shade this is. It's just like a nude pink color, and I overline my lips. I figure that this is just the best thing to do. I'll show you guys how I do it. And then I just kind of draw a line to that side of my lid. Like that, so you create an illusion that your lip is bigger. Okay, you may think that this is noticeable, but it's really not. So for this, I just kind of have to explain while I'm doing it. I go upwards like that. I just took a little outline to make them a little bit bigger. And then luckily this is really creamy, so if you just rub your lips together, it'll like smooth it out. I don't know where any of my makeup is. Obviously this whole video I've been trying to search for some. I do not know where my favorite lip gloss is, so I'm just gonna use this Baby Lips one. Do the trick. That was my phone, not yours. So I basically just apply it like that, and that looks like you have giant lips and you don't. Okay, for my hair, I had an idea that might be cute, so I'm gonna try it and then come back to you guys. Okay, that looks terrible. Okay, now I'm just gonna straighten some pieces over here because it's a little curly, and then I'll show you guys my outfit. Okay, so my shirt is from Forever 21, super cute. Fraser Sterling Jewelry, Forever 21. Etsy, and I made this one. I just put some rings that didn't fit me onto a chain and it looks super cute. This jacket is from a place called Angle. I don't know, it's like online. My belt is from Brady Melville and my jeans are from PacSun, I believe. And my boots are from, I honestly don't know. My boots just look like this. They're super cute, super comfy. They're from, I honestly have no clue, but you can probably get a boot like this anywhere. I probably got it in the mall or something. But yeah, I thought this is a super cute Valentine's Day outfit and I love the makeup look. Remember the whole time I was like, I hope this looks good. Well, guess what? It looks good. I love it. See, my days are cold without you. Shoes on camera, you don't understand. All right, that's the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I had fun making it. At first I was like, hey, this is boring, but then I got really into it and I decided to create this little Valentine's Day look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what you're doing for Valentine's Day, whether you're just going to school, staying home, eating ice cream, or going out on a date. Let me know in the comments below because I really want to hear what you guys are doing. Also, if you have any friends that love watching YouTube or don't like watching YouTube, tell them about my channel because I post videos twice a week now and it's super fun. And yeah, it's a good time over here. But yeah, I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!